Let's install Deno on our system. On the Deno website, deno.line, if you scroll down, you will find installation instructions for different operating systems. For example, you will find the instruction to install Deno using Shell on Mac or Linux, and also using PowerShell on Windows. And you can find more installation options by clicking this link, deno_install. And there you can find additional options to install Deno. For example, you can find the instruction to install Deno using a package manager. I'm on a Mac, and now I will go back to the home page, and I will use this option to install Deno using Shell on my Mac system. So now I copy this command, curl command, and I go to the terminal and paste the command. I press enter, and now Deno is being installed on my system. After it's done, you will see this message, Deno was installed successfully. And you can also see the path where Deno is installed on your system. And then you can get started using Deno by running this command, deno-help, to see Deno's help screen. So let's do that. As you can see, the Deno command is now recognized on my system. And here on the help screen for Deno, you can find the subcommands that are supported by Deno, such as Deno run to run a program, and also Deno upgrade to upgrade your Deno installation. And here you can also learn about the environment variables that are supported by Deno. For example, Deno dir to set the case directory. So that's how to install Deno on a Mac system. To install Deno on Windows, you can use PowerShell. And in Windows PowerShell, you can copy and paste this command. So now I copy this command. And now I open Windows PowerShell. You can open it from the Start menu. Right click on the Start menu and click Windows PowerShell. And here, inside Windows PowerShell, I paste the command from the Deno website and press enter. Deno will then be downloaded to your system. After it's done, this message will be shown. Deno was installed successfully, and the path where Deno is installed is shown here. You can test whether Deno has been installed successfully by running deno-help. So let's do that. Deno-help. And as you can see here that the Deno command is now recognized. To upgrade your Deno installation to the latest version, you can use the command deno upgrade and press enter, and then the latest version of Deno will be downloaded and installed on your system. That's it for Deno installation. See you in the next video.